N'a dit tout le monde bonsoir, c'est un grand plaisir aujourd'hui pour nous te recevoir dans le centre communautaire haïtien Curvens. Mais Curvens, pas juste là nous venons recevoir. Curvens, c'est un employé dans la communauté qui travaille de concert avec City Everett là, naturellement avec tout, un partenariat de plusieurs organisations dans la ville Everett là, inclusivement centre communauté haïtien qui dans Everett. Et bien pour qui ça? C'est un projet qui est Electrify Everett. Projet Electrify Everett, la mission li, c'est pour sauvegarder l'argent dans dépenses dans énergie, particulièrement dans bill, que c'est bill électricité ou d'autres, etc. Pour le moment, ça qui est l'essentiel, c'est travail qui a fait là. Curvens a fait un travail extraordinaire, un très bon travail dans toute ville là, côté que l'app et des moun viennent prendre information. Et non seulement viennent prendre information, ça a des ressources qu'on est capable de joindre pour minimiser les services d'énergie, mais également, ou capable de joindre support électricité. Bill électricité fait d'appui sur tout le monde, surtout dans le temps ça bagay yo dur et gen moun qui doit électricité pour plus de nous capable dire 5,000, 6,000 $, 1,000 $, 500 $. Sous ta gen problème ça, chaque mardi de 1h de l'après-midi jusqu'à 5h de l'après-midi, ou venir rencontrer Curvens dans Everett Haitian Community Center, dans centre communauté haïtien dans Everett, dans 427 à Broadway, dans Everett, et il y a capable non seulement bonne information, ressources, mais à connecter autour à support capable besoin pour payer bill électricité qui kounye là en pile mon a plein qui monte. Merci. Venez tout joindre nous dans centre communauté haïtien dans Everett pour nous aider.
Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning, everyone. Can I hear you? Hello, good morning. It's such a pleasure to be here today. C'est un grand plaisir pour nous la jodi. For everyone here this morning, we're here for a very great cause, and we want to thank all the partners, La Comunidad, Elliott, community growers, and National Electric, the city of Everett, and if I'm missing Luma, and if I'm missing any other partners, please let me know. It is a pleasure to be here with you today. I am Reverend Milland Desrosiers, CEO of the Everett Haitian Community Center and pastor of Hope and Dream Ministry. And it is, how many of you feel electrified this morning with all this diverse presentation? So, in essence, what we want to electrify means to put a line together, right? To put it together, to bring, things together, not only that can be enlightened, but it also is to function things through electrical energy. Electrify also means a power of electricity to electrify not only a spot, but a full village, or a full city, or a full state, or a full nation. But we have something different for you today, and we'll share with you. For those of you who've traveled a lot, like myself, you will realize the importance of this today. The importance of electrifying Everett, electrifying our country, the importance. You need to know that in a lot of major cities and towns in Europe, people, you would not believe that, not third world, are scared about being able to get energy for electricity and for heat during the winter. So we are in the United States, we are very, very blessed. And we're very blessed that we are part of this initiative to save energy. Do you feel blessed and privileged? Yes. Yes, so that's why we have to come together to do this. And so right now, the Everett Haitian Community Center is bringing to you one of our team members who will now help you electrify yourself, bring some energy into the body, right? Because we're also about health and wellness. And so and she introduces you to a cultural a cultural piece. It's going to be in two parts. The first part, she's just going to perform, right? Her name is Widlin Dabel. She's going to do a part for you where she's going to perform. And to give you a description of this, it is called the music is Grand Bois. In rough translation, it means, big, big wood, okay? However, what it means is Grand Bois is a music that describes the passage, courage, and endurance. The choreography is based on Haitian culture and contemporary dance, which is a free dance that allows you to express your feelings. So if you feel energized, express it, right? As she performs. If you feel, well, we hope you feel energized, not anything else. So just have fun today, relax, and enjoy this performance. And then she'll have a second performance where you will participate, and I will introduce that as well. But for now, we are asking you to give an applaud and welcome our young people here. Come here, give an applaud, and who's going to perform for you, Gabla.